Prepare to be blown away by the incredible power and cutting-edge technology of today's most formidable forestry machines. This video has it all. Buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating adventure into the heart of the forestry world. Amidst a breathtaking winter wonderland, Bee navigates through a snow-covered forest, expertly dragging hefty logs across challenging terrain. The pristine white landscape contrasts sharply with the powerful machine, which tackles the obstacles with ease. Equipped with a specialized ripsaw blade, the X07 excavator expertly tackles hardwood logs, transforming them into sturdy fence posts. This powerful machine showcases its versatility and precision as it efficiently cuts through dense timber, ensuring clean and accurate results. With its robust design and tailored attachment, the excavator makes light work of what would typically be a labor-intensive task, revolutionizing the way fence posts are produced. In northern Ontario, amidst the breathtaking expanse of snow-blanketed Ontario forests, a powerful heavy-duty harvester takes center stage, efficiently harvesting timber with remarkable ease. The sheer force and advanced technology of this machine significantly enhance productivity, allowing for swift and effective tree removal even in challenging winter conditions. As it navigates through the pristine landscape, its ability to handle the toughest tasks showcases the cutting-edge engineering behind modern forestry equipment, making it an invaluable asset for any logging operation. In a vibrant tableau reminiscent of an elaborate logging game, a team of skilled loggers orchestrates their operations with an array of cutting-edge machinery. 4 formidable tiger cat bunchers move gracefully through the forest, effortlessly gathering trees with precision and power. The scene is alive with the roar of engines and the rhythmic sound of branches falling as these machines work in harmony, creating an efficient symphony of timber harvesting. The surrounding landscape, punctuated by the sleek lines of modern equipment, highlights the impressive advancements in forestry technology that make the task of logging not only efficient, but exhilarating.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
In the rugged terrain of the hillside, the Tigercat 635 D skidder, equipped with the ECO Soft 26 attachment, showcases its exceptional prowess. As it deftly maneuvers through challenging slopes, the powerful machine exerts its strength, effortlessly dragging substantial logs behind it. The combination of innovative engineering and robust performance transforms the arduous task of logging into a seamless operation, illustrating the remarkable capabilities of modern forestry equipment. When the skidder flipped over, a dramatic rescue operation ensued, showcasing both the resilience of the machine and the determination of the crew. The heavy machinery, typically a powerhouse in the woods, now lay helplessly on its side, drawing a crowd of concerned onlookers. With teamwork and precision, the recovery team coordinated their efforts, using a combination of cranes and winches to carefully right the skidder, emphasizing the importance of safety and expertise in the unpredictable world of forestry. In a captivating display of power and precision, the Scania P400 is effortlessly pulled by the Tigercat 720 E Fellerbuncher, a machine renowned for its capability to handle the most challenging logging tasks. As the duo navigates through the dense forest, the Feller-Buncher's robust design and advanced technology make short work of the towering trees, showcasing the seamless collaboration between two formidable forces in forestry. This partnership not only highlights the Feller-Buncher's efficiency, but also demonstrates the strength of the Scania P400 as it follows through rugged terrain, ensuring a smooth and productive logging operation. The skilled operator of the forestry harvester maneuvers through treacherous terrain, showcasing exceptional control and expertise. The weight of the overloaded vehicle adds an extra layer of challenge, making every turn and incline a test of both the machine's capabilities and the driver's focus. With a moment's distraction potentially leading to disaster, the operator's unwavering concentration is evident as they expertly navigate each perilous section of the route. As the harvester approaches a particularly steep incline, the tension is palpable. Every inch gained is hard-won as the overloaded machine strains against gravity, threatening to lose traction at any moment. The driver remains calm under pressure, adjusting speed and angle with a mastery honed by years of experience in the field, proving that confidence and skill are just as vital as the machine's raw power. The harvester emerges victorious after conquering a series of dangerous slopes, a testament to the combination of the operator's expertise and the equipment's reliability. Each successful ascent not only highlights the machine's formidable strength, but also serves as a reminder of the inherent risks in logging operations. The operator's dedication and skill in navigating these hazardous conditions exemplify the essential role of human proficiency in harnessing the power of modern forestry machinery. Just admire the master skills of these drivers. They have saved a lot of time for unloading logs. With just a few operations, dozens of tons of wood slide down from the truck quickly. The overloaded timber truck struggles significantly with movement due to its excess weight. Every bump in the road feels amplified, and the driver must skillfully navigate each obstacle to avoid potential mishaps. Despite the challenges, the truck's robust build and the driver's expertise work in tandem, ensuring that it continues on its journey, albeit with great effort. The driver showcases incredible courage as he maneuvers the overloaded truck through treacherous, muddy terrain. Each step forward becomes a test of skill as the slippery conditions threaten to immobilize the vehicle at any moment. With the truck's tires struggling for grip, the situation grows increasingly challenging, and every bump in the road sends a jolt through the cabin. Recognizing the magnitude of the task ahead, he wisely calls upon the assistance of an excavator. Together they form a powerful team, with the excavator providing the necessary traction and support to guide the truck through the muck. This collaboration not only highlights the driver's determination, but also emphasizes the importance of teamwork in overcoming the formidable challenges of forestry transport.